Hey, y'all, we got 30 pounds of smoked sausage going in. This here is the start of the jambalaya. Browning down that sausage. All right, y'all, it's time for that sausage to come out there. All right, y'all, we're going in with 25 pounds of boneless chicken. That's that boneless, skinless chicken thigh. Let me get that chicken out of there. Check that out. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Bring it down. Put it in there. Get that temple meat in there. That's 30 pounds of temple meat right there. Ooh. All right, y'all, we're starting to get that pork cooked down. I'm gonna hit it with half a bottle of that W sauce. Ooh, look at it. Hey, and then we're gonna hit it with that Southern boy, see? Oh, yeah.
The Bruce pulling that pork out, got it all browned down. Look at the flavor in that pork. 30 pounds of onions going in, y'all.
What about the pepper? Bruce has got the bell peppers and the celery going in.
God,
looking good, looking good. You know what smells good though, Bruce, huh?
Them onions.
Them onions right there.
Well, what it is, we got all that flavor from all the meats in there. And it sticks to the pan. When you throw the onions in there, it starts melting down. All that seasoning goes in the onions and stuff.
Sucking it right up.
Sucks it up, and they need to make a cologne out of this.
Oh, man. All right, y'all, look at them onions right there, all cooked down and everything. Now it's time to add that sausage back to it.
All right, here we go.
Ooh, that ain't enough sausage.
That ain't enough sausage, huh, Bruce?
No.
Ooh, man.
All right, y'all, now we in there with that pork.
Oh, look at that, y'all. Here comes the water. Ooh, look at that.
All the way to the edge, man.
Right there.
Ooh, that's looking good.
Hey, y'all, this is 45 pounds of rice right here. Man. Now it's a waiting game, y'all. When that rice gets finished soaking all that up and start tightening up, I'm telling you right now, it just don't get no better than that right there. All right, y'all, we're gonna add 1 box of salt to it.
A whole box?
Ooh, a whole box, Bruce, a whole box.
Oh, golly, man. That's gonna be good. You're not putting that Southern
Hey,
boy
now we're gonna hit it with 1 thing of Southern boy seasoning right here. Ooh. All right, y'all, doing that first flip.
Get that chicken in there.
Get that chicken in there. Ooh. And that's a pot.
That's a pot.
What we doing, y'all? We just taking what's on the bottom and putting on the top. All right, y'all, that's a wrap on feeding the senior citizens of the community. Bruce is already cleaning the big pot. It's empty.
I think they liked it.
You what's that, Bruce?
I think they liked
You
it.
think they liked it? What do you think?
We left one
Hey,
right
and then
and right.
come over here and we got the beans right here. Got a little bit of beans left. Well, y'all, we done 285 meals. All these men right here worked hard today, getting it all out. And hey, we appreciate each and every one of them. Awesome stuff. Taking care of the senior citizens in the community. It just don't get no better than that. Over and out, y'all.